Welcome to The Explainer. We're breaking down something absolutely massive today. Anthropic just quietly dropped a series of free AI courses, and we're going to dive into why these are literally worth more than a $10,000 tech degree in 2026. If you want official certifications for your resume, and way more importantly, if you want to learn how to build real, working AI apps from absolute scratch, you are in the exact right place. Let's get right into it.
Here's the crazy reality. Right now, about 95% of people using Claude every single day are barely scratching the surface. They're treating it just like a basic search engine. Maybe using it to write a couple generic emails or some blog content at best. But honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, our whole goal with this explainer is to yank you out of that 95% and put you firmly in the elite 5%. We're talking about a small, highly effective group of users who might have zero coding experience whatsoever, yet they're out there building real apps, launching solo businesses, and completely automating their daily workflows using Claude.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, Foundations and Fluency.
To kick things off, we're combining courses 1 and 2 from Anthropic's curriculum, which are all about fixing your foundational prompting and automating the most tedious parts of your day. Course 1 is called Claude 101, and it covers the absolute mechanics. For example, you learn how to add a Gmail connector, verify your email, and instantly give Claude access to your inbox. That way, it can organize your messages and draft highly contextual replies for you, all without you ever having to leave the interface.
But the real game changer in this first course is absolutely Claude Skills. Basically, a skill is a way to automate a repeatable task inside Claude, so you never have to re-explain yourself again. Because, let's be honest, constantly giving an AI the exact same formatting rules every day gets super annoying. The course gives this brilliant example of using a skill for generating realistic AI video prompts. You just activate the skill, type a rough idea, like a woman walking through a rainy city street at night, and this skill instantly asks a couple of clarifying questions and spits out a highly structured cinematic AI video prompt. You'd never have to re-explain camera angles or lighting ever again.
Now, learning the tools is really only half the battle. Course 2, which is called AI Fluency, shifts the focus entirely to human-AI communication. It introduces a super powerful, structured way of prompting called the 4D framework. That stands for delegation, description, discernment, and diligence. This isn't just about some specific tool that's going to be outdated next month. This is about the core fundamentals of how humans should interact with AI to drastically improve what we get out of it just through structure and active iteration.
To put that in perspective, think about the difference here. A bad prompt is something like, review my marketing email. We're all guilty of doing this, and we almost always get a super generic result back. But compare that to a 4D prompt. You delegate the role, you describe exactly what you want, like a confident, conversational tone for a 25 to 35-year-old audience. You use discernment by asking it to flag factually unclear items, and diligence by strictly telling it to exclude client data. Just by switching to this framework and tweaking things based on Claude's output, your results are going to be exponentially better.
Moving right along to Section 2, your AI learning partner.
For Course 3, we're shifting gears toward actively learning new skills and planning your career. The biggest trap people fall into here is just letting AI do all the thinking for them. The strategy here highlights a totally different approach, using AI as a true learning partner. Say you're exploring a complex topic, like whether a university degree is even worth it in 2026. Don't just ask Claude to write an essay giving you the answer. Instead, share your own opinions first. Tell Claude what you think, and then ask it to challenge your reasoning, point out your blind spots, and actually improve your overall understanding. This course also dives deep into leveraging AI for career planning, stuff like researching paths, finding skill gaps, and prepping for interviews. But to show you what's truly possible when you build actual systems, the source highlights this staggering, mind-blowing example. A user basically leveraged AI to build a fully working system that automatically applied to over 1,000 jobs in just 48 hours. And the kicker? They landed 7 interviews without doing any of the heavy lifting themselves. That is exactly what happens when you treat AI as an actionable system instead of just a basic chatbot.
Okay, Section 3, Building Custom AI Agents. So why are we transitioning out of the browser for Course 4? Well, you have to understand this core difference. Standard Claude Chat and Cowork basically run in a browser bubble. They have really strict limits on how many files they can see. Claude Code, on the other hand, runs directly on your local computer. That means it has full, unhindered access to all of your files, your folders, and your databases. It can process hundreds of files at once and actively connect to different tools right there on your machine. Because Claude Code runs locally,
You can create incredibly powerful agent skills and instantly share them. Imagine you're heading up a marketing team. Step 1. You input your standard operating procedure, your SOP, for writing short-form video scripts right into Claude Code. Step 2. You ask Claude Code to convert that SOP into a dedicated agent skill. And Step 3. Instead of manually training every single new hire, you just share that exact AI agent across your entire team. Bam. Now everyone is executing the task perfectly to your exact specifications.
You can even take this a step further and develop dedicated sub-agents. These are basically AI agents that specialize in one highly specific microtask to guarantee maximum quality. You could have one agent just for writing video hooks, another just for deep dive content research. The source provides this awesome real-world example of an agent built specifically to take a long-form video transcript and flawlessly convert it into a post for X or Twitter. You literally just paste the transcript, type "convert this to a post," and the agent instantly outputs a perfectly structured post. No re-explaining the rules of social media required.
Which brings us to Section 4, Coding Apps Without Code.
This is the climax of the explainer, definitely the most advanced phase of the curriculum. This is where you move from automating single tasks to building real, fully functional AI apps and massive business systems. And the best part? You do not need to be a programmer. Seriously, not a single line of code. The process is incredibly simple. You open Claude, you go back and forth describing your idea and the exact features you want. Once the logic is nailed down, you ask Claude to generate a single, comprehensive prompt. You take that one prompt, paste it into Claude Code on your machine, and it literally builds the entire application for you.
The source actually shows this off beautifully with a custom-built app called Verso. And we aren't just talking about a basic text box here. Verso has a complete home dashboard for active workflows and production statuses. It's got a document editor. It features a related notes panel that automatically pulls up your previously saved research while you type. It even has an inbuilt team chat to drop questions and get feedback without leaving the app, all wrapped up in a super clean day and night mode UI. All of that built with zero coding, just by describing it to Claude Code.
To supercharge these apps and make them even more dynamic, the course dives into integrating MCP servers. Simply put, an MCP server is an integration that connects your custom app directly to the outside world, like external web browsers or other data tools. So instead of manually opening tabs and wasting hours researching, you connect your app directly to a browser via an MCP server. This lets your custom app automatically pull up live, relevant info from the web in real time, right while you're writing inside your document editor.
And the final piece to make all this completely hands-off? Hooks. You'll learn to set up these automated triggers that just run silently in the background of your system. For instance, the second you finish writing a script in your custom app, a hook can recognize the document is complete and automatically send that script straight to a B-roll generating tool, complete with all the formatting context. You don't have to click a single button or lift a finger. The whole workflow becomes incredibly seamless.
So from connecting your email and mastering the 4D framework to sharing custom agents with your team all the way up to building massive applications like Verso without writing a single line of code, you now have the exact roadmap. These 5 free courses from Anthropic genuinely offer more practical value than most expensive tech degrees will in 2026. This knowledge is completely free and it is out there waiting for you. So the only question left to answer is, what will you build first? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I highly encourage you to go start creating right now.